Vultures, mountain villages and one TV. We're trekking in Nepal right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome back. This is our final episode and we've gone off-piste a little bit. We've come to a place called Kushner, which is just off the tourist trail, and we're going to be doing a bit of charity work today. We've volunteered to help out with a charity that works in this area up here, and we asked them what could we do, and they told us they need a TV delivering to a school somewhere halfway up there. So that's our challenge today. How are you feeling about it, Andy?
I'm holding on very tight, if you don't mind me saying. It's miles down there. Have you seen over the edge?
We are standing on a suspension bridge, which is, probably at least 200 meters up. And we're actually going to pass the second tallest bungee jump in the world on the way. We've got to go across this bridge to get to the other side of the valley to start our challenge. Right, let's get going.
Absolutely crazy.
Nestled among the towering peaks of the Himalayas, Nepal offers unparalleled opportunities for trekking, and at Drone and Phone, it's a trip we've been eager to do since we first started this channel. Beyond the spectacular landscapes, you also get a chance to interact with the warm and welcoming local communities that add another fascinating dimension to the journey. It's a must visit in our book and easy to get to from Hong Kong. I've linked up with an old friend, Andy Jameson from London, who has featured on a few previous series. Andy is a past Olympic athlete and avid walker, but trekking in the Himalayas is another level. There are hundreds of routes to choose from, but for this series we've created 5 episodes trekking in the central region of Nepal. Starting in Pokhara, we take off on a short adventure up to Poon Hill before embarking on a 4-day hike up to the Annapurna base camp. In this episode, we're in the Himalayan foothills in Baglung district on a special mission to deliver a new TV to a kindergarten up in the hills above the town. We volunteered for the Social Welfare Association of Nepal, or SWAN for short, that works on education and health in this region. Our first task is to cross the Gandaki Valley on a very long suspension bridge. Well, we're standing here at the point where they do the bungee jump just from here. It's saying 228 meters down to the bottom, and that is all the way right down there. Now that's got to be pretty scary, yeah? Newly built, the bridge cuts a half-day walk down and up to the other side to just a few minutes, but it's not for those scared of heights. Well, the good news is, Andy, there's plenty of vultures around if you do fall, so...
Great. Well, I won't last very long, will I? in any direction.
So sky burial is on the cards. Once across, we make our way up to the village of Narayastan, where we quickly learn that this is very different from the mountain villages we encountered along the trails. You're going to Baglung? Yeah? Well, is it a special day?
Today is Chaitra Ashtami.
Okay. It's like a festival, is it? Okay. Okay. Hey. Bye bye. Have fun today. Bye. I'm not sure how much you can see here, but we've come from the town, which is across this massive river. This is actually the Modi River, the same river that we were on hiking further up, and it's now turned into a major river down here. Look at these huge vultures. My God, they're right here. So we've come from this town over here, and we've come across this bridge, and now we're in Narayastra, I think the name of the village is, but it's very much rural Nepal, away from the tourist trail. We walk from one small community to the next, slowly climbing the hill along dusty roads and shortcuts up steep paths. Milan, our guide, has once again volunteered to carry the TV and help translate as we meet people along the way. It's colourful and full of life.
Okay, so I'm in Nepal.
Hello.
And I've had
Hello, friends. friends.
3 friends, and their friend's name is?
Sunita Hadri.
Sunita Hadri?
Ranjita Paudel.
Ranjita Padre?
Samjana Paudel.
Sanjana Paudel. Yeah, beautiful. Very good. And my name is Andy.
Oh. Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Your English is very good.
Thank you.
Yes, did you learn it at school?
Yes.
Very good. And are you in school now?
Sri Tribhuvan Secondary School.
Ah. So did you do exams today?
No.
No exams? No? When's your exams?
7.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, good luck in your exams.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. How lovely.
While Andy charms the local villagers, Milan shows me how the farmers separate the rice grains and bag them. Two hours now, and we believe we're approaching the school. Milan told us it was 5 minutes when we were down at the bottom. We're not going to hold that against him. But it's as we climb, as we get further up, meeting more people. I think we're arriving now, and it's clearly also poor neighbourhoods as we go further up away from the town, but it's absolutely beautiful, really bright coloured. And now we're about to enter the school, which is right behind us here. How are you feeling, Andy?
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. I'm a little bit tired. It's very hot.
Yeah.
It's a little bit further than I thought it was, but then that's been fairly common for the whole trip so far. But it's an amazing experience to see the real Nepal. I just didn't know it was like this. It's stunning, it's beautiful.
And very different from what we've experienced on the trek, right?
Yes, very different. The people are so nice everywhere, it's incredible. Other countries could certainly learn from that. They're just wonderful. Really lovely, but it's hot as well.
Arriving at the kindergarten, we're greeted with great ceremony. Although it's only a TV we bear, this is a significant upgrade to the school facilities, and the teachers and children all participate in speeches and a grand handing over, followed by dancing and a tour of the school. Andy has a go at teaching a class, but it seems only one student is interested. The facilities are basic, but the teachers are all extremely dedicated, and they tell us of their achievements their students have made over the years.
So we've just given the television away to the school. We're just about to have lunch. This is the view from the people's house that we're going to have lunch at. And then just turning around here, here's the house. Like this.
Nepal's population is just under 31 million, with the vast majority outside Kathmandu, the capital city, living in the lowlands. This midway point between the high mountains and the plains gives us a real sense of the local culture, with snow peaks looming in the distance. Well, TV delivered, and we've had ceremonies, we've been on a tour around the school, we've been given lunch in one house, and we've had tea in another, and now we're on our way back down towards that river gorge, which I think we're going to try and take a cable car to get back if it's open. Otherwise we're going to have to walk the plank again, Andy.
Oh, good. What a great day though, eh? What a fantastic day. I think I really appreciated the television, and it's just wonderful. It's beautiful.
We walk back down to the cliff edge, this time taking a slightly different route that brings us to a field where we try the local beans, and then through a sunlit forest over to a cable car that straddles the valley. We're told we have to wait till they have an equal weight of passengers at the opposite side before they flick a switch and off we go over the canyon. It's a great way to end a thoroughly enjoyable day. Well, that's it for this episode. We've just taken the cable car across here and a little bit of a scary run. How has today been for you, Andy?
Well, DJ, I've really enjoyed it. It's been very warm, I have to say, but going up to the rural villages of Nepal, I didn't see that before, and so I've seen some stuff today that I just absolutely loved. The whole experience was wonderful.
It's definitely worth getting out of your comfort zone and going off piste a little if you're here in Nepal. Now, Milan, this is our last day with you. You've been fantastic. We're going to put your details down below and recommend you as a guide. How has it been, though, for you with us two?
Very nice time with you, and the whole trip was very nice and nice weather we have now. Thank you for this trip journey down.
It's been fantastic. Thanks, Milan. Now, if you're just finding this episode, you can find all our other Nepal adventures on our website at droneandphone.com and also on our YouTube channel by just searching out Drone and Phone. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Andy J.
My name is Milan.
This is Drone and Phone. You know, I've been hiking all over the mountain. Andy just got used to having a porter everywhere. Look at him.
Someone's going to do it. I am carrying my...
He's just
I'm carrying my phone on my
expects
passport.
someone else to carry his bag every time he gets off out of the car.